Good day, grade 9 learners. We're still on algebraic equations, translation word problems, a word problem into an equation. In other words, today we are going to focus, as you remember, the previous days we have done a word problem that involves calculation of number and calculation of age. Now today we are going to do word problem involving calculation of measurement. Now here's a problem. A rectangle is, this is a rectangle. A rectangle is twice as long as it is width, it's wide, as it is wide, and its perimeter is 400. So the key word here is twice, and then long and the width, okay, and the perimeter. These are key words. So it says this is a rectangle is twice as long as it is wide. So we are not sure what the width is. Let the width be x. Let the width of the rectangle be x. Okay, so this is the width, this is the width, and it said the length is twice the width. So the length is twice the width. Now we are told that the perimeter of this rectangle is 432 centimeters. Now we must work out the dimensions of the rectangle, and we must work out what the width is and what the length is. Okay, so the perimeter, the formula for a perimeter is, the formula for perimeter, as you know, is twice the sum of the length and the width, represented by the letter B. So we are told that the perimeter is 432, and the length is twice the width, and the width is x. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 2. We are going to get 216, and equated to 2x, which will eventually be 3x. Okay, so we divide both sides by 3, both sides by 3, or not by x, by 3, both sides by 3. So 3 goes how many times in 21? It goes 7 times. How many? 3 goes how many times into 3? Once. So 1 multiplied by x is x. So our width, the width is now 72. So that is our B. Our B is 72. So our length is twice 72, which will give us 144 centimeters. Both are in centimeters. Okay, our breadth is 72 centimeters, which is our width, and our length is 144 centimeters. Okay. Now the second equation says calculate the area of this. The area of a rectangle is equals to length times breadth. What is our length? We now know our length is 144 centimeters multiplied by 72 centimeters. Okay. Now we must multiply 72 by 144. So you can do it vertically. It's still going to give us the same thing. 7 multiplied by that is 8. 7 multiplied by 4 is 8. Sorry, 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Carry 2. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28 plus 2 is 30. Carry 3. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10. Is 10. So our answer will be 8, 16, 16, carry 1, 3, and then 0. So the area is 10,368 centimeters squared. That's the area of the rectangle. That is the area of the rectangle. Perhaps to recap, a rectangle is twice as long as it is wide. Let the width be x and the length will be twice the width. That is the. And its perimeter is 432 centimeters. So we know the formula for a perimeter is twice the sum of the length and the breadth. And what we do is do substitution. Where there's perimeters, we write 432 and we replace the length with twice the width, which is 2x, and the width is replaced by x. So the rest is just ordinary arithmetic. We add the like terms. 2x plus x is 3x. And remember, 432 has been divided by 2. It gave us 216 and equated to 3x. And if we divide both sides by 3x, so that we leave x alone on the right hand side. And 216 divided by 3 gives us 72. So our width is 72. Now the length is twice the width, to be 144 centimeters. So in order to calculate the area, the length of the rectangle, the formula for the length for the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. We simply substitute what we already given. What is left is multiplication, and we get the answer. Thank you very much for paying attention. I hope you've understood me. Now I want you to do some work for me. Here's a problem for you to solve. In a triangle PQR, QR is x centimeters, PR is shorter than than QR and PQ. This PR is shorter than QR. PR is shorter than QR and PQ. And shorter than QR is shorter than QR. And PQ is twice as long as PR. PQ is twice PR. PQ is twice PR. And remember, we've said let QR be X. So PR is 3 centimeters shorter. When it's shorter, you know what to do. It is not longer, it's shorter. Okay. Now write down the length of PR and PQ in terms of X. If the perimeter is 8 centimeters and calculate the size of X. Remember, the perimeter, you add all the sides, you get the perimeter. All the size of a shape, if you add them, the length of the sides, you get the perimeter. That is how you arrive at the perimeter. It has been a long lesson. I hope you have enjoyed it. Indicate if you like it on the like, and if you have not subscribed, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.